Welcome adventurers to a festive episode in our mini-series Where's That Country? This week we're in Lapland! Okay, so Lapland isn't technically a country, but we thought it'd be a great addition at this festive time of year. From frozen forests and reindeer grazing on the tundra to cosy cabins and the magic of the northern lights, Lapland is known around the world as the home of Christmas cheer, and of course, Santa Claus himself. Before we start, don't forget to download your Christmas activity pack from our website. It's packed with Christmas activities, including how to make your very own Tio Nadal. So where is Lapland? Lapland is a region in northern Europe and is located in the northern hemisphere. It stretches across the northern parts of Finland, Sweden and Norway, all the way inside the Arctic Circle. When people talk about Santa's Lapland, they usually mean Finnish Lapland, the snowy top of Finland. It's a land of icy winters, short daylight hours, and skies that glow with the aurora borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. Around 180,000 people live here, including the indigenous Sami people. The main languages are Finnish, Swedish, Norwegian, and Northern Sami. To say hello in Northern Sami, you say Pures. The capital of Finnish Lapland is Rovaniemi, officially known as Santa's hometown. There's even a Santa Claus village where you can actually meet him. Though on Christmas Eve he's probably out delivering presents. Well, he should be. And when you're there, I'm afraid there's no fancy Christmas currency, just the euro. But if you're good, then Santa is sure to deliver you a nice free present on Christmas Eve. Now let's take a look at the Sami flag, the best known symbol of Lapland's indigenous culture. The flag is for all Sami people, whichever country they live in. The blue parts represent the moon, and the red parts represent the sun. The remaining green and yellow demonstrate the connection the Sami have to nature and animals. Well, I'm afraid that's all we've got time for today, and that wraps up our Christmas episode of Where's That Country? It was great to learn where Lapland is on the map, and why it's the perfect home for Santa. Have a look on a globe to see how far north this winter wonderland is. And make sure to check out the rest of our videos on YouTube and listen to our podcast on Spotify for all our latest world adventures. You can also join the World Adventurer Club over on Patreon, where you can get early access to content and free activity packs. We'll see you next time for another edition of Where's That Country? Psst, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.